Hello children, welcome back. Again we are going to continue with yesterday's chapter, that is chapter 3. All right. Okay. आज तो मिस बहुत नाराज़ है आप लोग से. बताओ क्यों? क्योंकि पता चला है कि आप लोग कोई भी बुक्स नहीं देख रहे हो और पेरेंट्स की बात भी नहीं मान रहे हो. क्या हुआ है? तो you have to be with your books and then you have to keep practicing, right? Otherwise, it will be a problem, right? Okay. Let's continue. That is about division today. All right. So, as I have mentioned yesterday that you need to know the multiplication table very well from 2 till 9 in order to do the division and the multiplication, right? Okay. So, now let's see the first question that we have here is 18 divided by 6. All right. So, how you need to do this is that, okay, students, tell me 18 is in how many times in the table of 6? Okay, read out the table of 6. In how many times 18 will reach? 6 into 3s are 18, right? So if you put here 18, then if you do subtraction, 18 minus 18, it will be 0 out here, all right? Okay, then the next question you have 27 divided by 9, right? Do you know the table of 9? How many of you know, children? Table of 9? Okay, it is 9 into 3s are 27, right? Okay, then when you put here 27 and when you do minus, then the remainder will be 0. You can put either 0 here or put a cross mark here, all right? So, this is about 9 divided with 27 and you'll get answer is 3. All right, then next you have another question. I hope you are along with me, children. Okay, let's see the next question that you have. It is about find the quotient and remainder. So this is also division, but you need to find it out, the quotient and the remainder. The number of times that you put here during the time of division on your right hand side is called quotient, and the number that you will get after the subtraction is called remainder, right children? Okay, so in order to divide this 28 with 81, what you need to do is that when you multiply 28 into 1, it will be less, very less with 81, right? So when you multiply 28 with 2, you'll get a little closer number with it. If you will multiply 28 with 3, it will be more than 81, right? So that is why you need to put here 2 times, put 56 here, which is now okay with the number, right? So, after that, what you need to do, it is 1 here, right? And then you have 6, which is larger than 1. Okay, now what you can do, you can take borrow from here, right? From 8, you'll take 1 borrow from here, it will become 11. So, 11 minus 6, how much, children? It is 5, right? So, here how much it will remain since you have taken borrow 1? So, it will be 7 out here. So, 7 and then minus 5, how much you'll get, children? You'll get 2. So, what is the quotient out here? It is 2 and the remainder you got is 25. Is it very easy? Right? Very easy. Just try yourself every day, right? In order to become expert in division and multiplication. Right, children? Let's see the next sum. You have 93 divided by 22. So same like how we did number A, you will do the number B as well. The same. Okay, so 22 when you divide with 93, so you need to put 4 times and it will be 88. Alright, when you put it in 2 times or 3 times, it will be lesser, very less than 93. So little bit closer number, you need to put it on the right hand side here. Alright, so 88 is little bit closer to 93, and that is why we are putting here 4 times. If you put here 5 times, it will become larger than 93, right? So that is why 4 times 88 here, and then when you subtract now, how much you'll get, children? This is 3. So 3 is a small number comparing to 8, right? So what you need to do, you need to take again, borrow from 9, and it will become 13. So 13 minus 8, how much, children? 5, right? So now here, since you have taken borrow, it will remain here 8. So 8 minus 8, you can put here 0, or you can just leave like this, blank, right? Now, how much is the quotient, children? Look here. It is, we got quotient as 4 and then remainder as 5. Am I clear, children, with you all? I hope I'm clear with you, right? Okay, let's move to the next question. We have one problem here. A boy called Abu. On his birthday, he brought how much sweets? He brought 85 sweets to distribute to his classmate. Alright, then what he did was that there were how many students? 28 students present in the class. There were 28 students present in the class, and Abu brought how many sweets? He brought 85 number of sweets, right? So, can you find out how many sweets each student will receive? Now, when Abu will distribute 85 number of sweets to 28 students, how many sweets each student will get, right? So in order to find it, we need to do a division, a divide. So in the solution, what you have to write, total number of sweets. How many sweets we have? 85. Abu have 85 sweets. You'll write here 85. Then how many number of students? 28. So total number of students, 28. Then what is the step 1 here, children? So the step 1, you need to divide 28 and 85. So when you will put 28 into 1, it will be very less and not even close to 85. So that is why if you do 2 times, even that number will be very much less than 85. So the number which is very close to 85 is 84. So that will come in 3 times. Okay, 28 into 3, when you do, you will get 84. Now, when you will do subtraction, now 5 minus 4. It's very simple, right? How much it is, children? It is just 1. So 5 minus 4, you got here 1. And then here 8 minus 8, you'll get 0. So quotient, how much we got? We got 3. And then remainder is just 1, right? Then step 2, what you have to do? You have to check it. How many students got how much number of sweets? Alright, so where you have to do here in the next step, you need to multiply 28 into 3. Alright, so when you multiply 28 into 3, you'll get 84. Then plus 1, it will turn to 85, right? So since remainder is 1, so one student will be excess and each student will receive how many sweets, children? Each student will receive 3 sweets each out of 85 number of sweets. Am I clear, children? Okay. Now, let's move to another problem that we have. Here is find the product. That is same with the multiplication. Alright. Now, the first number that we have here is 525 multiplied with 25, right? So, now let's try all of you together. Let's try. 5 into 5s are 25, right? So, you'll put here 5 and you have carry along with you 2, right? So, now again, what you need to do? You need to multiply again 5 with 2. So, 5 2s are 10 and the carry that you have along with you, you will plus it. It will become 12. So, 12, 2 you need to put it and then you have to carry 1 along with you. Now 5s are 25, and the carry that you have along with you, you'll add it up and you'll get 26, right? Next step is, again, this 2 you need to multiply again with 5, right? So 2 5s are 10. 10 you have to put 0 and you have carry 1 along with you. Again, 2 into 2s are 4 plus 1, it will be 5, right? Then 2 5s are 10, right? Now what you have to do? The next step, you need to add them up, right? So can you see any number below 5, children? Yesterday we did, right? Did you remember? Can you recall? So we don't have any number here, so you put 5 as it is. 2 plus 0, 2. 6 plus 5, 11, 1, and carry 1 you have along with you. Now 2 plus 0 and the carry 1, it will become 3, and 1, it will remain as it is. So we got answer is 13,125, right? All right. Now we will do the next number, that is 245 multiplied with 244. When you multiply them, how much you get, children? Let's see. 4 5s are 20. 0, carry 2 you have along with you, right? 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, it will be 18. So 18, 8, carry 1 along with you. Now 4 2s are 8, and 8 plus 1, it will be 9, right? Another step, again 4 5s are 20. 0, carry 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 2. 18, 18, 8, carry 1. Then again you have 4 2s are 8, right? And then it will be, here it will be 9. There are some error, but you correct it, all right? 4 2s are 8 and plus it will be 9 here. Now the next step you have is 2 into 5. It will be 10, 0, carry 1, and then 2, 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Then you have 2 into 2, 4, right? Now, addition, you have to do the final step. This 0, it will come as it is. Then 8 plus 0, it will be 8. Then 9 plus 8, how much, students, it is? 17. So 17, 1. And then you have carry 1 along with you. Now here, because of some error, it should be 9 here. Because of some error, it is 8 here, but you need to put here 9. All right. So 9 plus 8 here, 17, 7. Carry 1. Again, 9 plus 9, 18. And 1, 19. So 9 here, and then carry 1 along with you. Then 4 plus 1. That will be 5. So the total answer that you'll get is 59,780. Right. So am I clear, children, with you? Am I clear? It's very easy when you give interest to learn, right? Okay. Then we have next, that is about the division. That is, divide the following. The same thing that we did earlier, that was about the quotient and the remainder, but this is without quotient. All right, you just need to see about the remainder. Okay, so look here, the first question that you have 48 divided by 6, right? So when you divide 48 and 6, 6 into 8s are, we know that it is 48, right? So when you do subtraction, you will get answer as 0, right? Then we have another one, that is 50 divided by 5. It is 5 10s are 50. Am I right? So when you do subtraction again, you will get answer as 0. Right. Okay, it is just very simple. You just need to put it in your mind clearly, and the main thing that you have to keep it is multiplication, which is very much essential for you. All right. So let's see quick revision of this chapter that we did. Okay. So the first question that we did was about the division, right? So we all know that 6 into 3s are how much, children? It is 18. Then you have 9 threes are how much? It is 27, right? Then we did again quotient and remainder. So you all know that when you are dividing it, if anything remains, then you consider it as remainder, and the number that you are putting it on your right hand side for a division, that is your quotient, right? So the next problem is about Abu. We did about Abu. On his birthday, how much sweets did he brought, right? So regarding that, he brought 85 sweets, and then one student was extra. So again, the sweets that he distributed was 84. And each student, how much sweets they got? They got 3 number of sweets, right, childrens? Okay, then we did division, and then it is just very simple, right? You need to just keep on practicing at home, childrens. Okay. See, again, the last division that we did was very simple. Just 6 into 8 are 48 and 5 tens are 50, right? Okay. See, whatever revision we did and whatever classes we are taking, I'm sure that you are practicing at home. So keep in touch with your books, right? And then you need to again join to me in the another class, and I will bring to you again another interesting chapter. Till then, all of you take care and then eat healthy food. Stay safe. Thank you.